Want to make $50 today using just ChatGPT? No tech skills, no coding, and no investment needed. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you a step-by-step system that anyone can follow to turn AI into instant income. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to start earning money online with ChatGPT starting today. Hi, welcome to AI Profit Lab, the channel where we test, review, and break down AI tools that make real money. ChatGPT I send to just for writing essays or fun chats. It has a powerful money-making tool. Today, I'll show you how I made $50 in just a few hours using ChatGPT, and how you can replicate it step by step. Key points to mention briefly. ChatGPT is free to start, or affordable subscription for faster responses. AI tools can automate tasks like writing, content creation, and microservices. This is 100% beginner-friendly. You don't need any prior experience. Step 1. Set up ChatGPT. Go to OpenAI website or app. Log in or create a free account. Use ChatGPT Free or Plus for faster responses. Step 2. Decide on a simple service to offer examples. Writing short blog posts, creating social media captions, generating product descriptions. These are high-demand tasks on Fiverr, Upwork, or social media groups. Step 3. Use ChatGPT to create the content. Give ChatGPT a clear prompt. Example: write a 200-word engaging Instagram caption for a coffee brand within seconds. You get ready to use content. Step 4. Sell your service. Post on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Facebook groups. Example pricing: $5, $20 per gig. Deliver work instantly using ChatGPT. Step 5. Repeat and scale. Once you complete 3 to 5 gigs, you can make $50 or more in one-day. Tips for scaling: offer multiple services, reuse templates, deliver consistently. Key highlights and tips: you don't need to be a writer. ChatGPT does the heavy lifting. Focus on high-demand micro-tasks for faster cash. Always deliver high-quality work. AI helps, but human review matters. Track your earnings and repeat the workflow daily. As you can see, making $50 with ChatGPT is simple if you follow the steps. This is just the beginning. You can scale to $100, $500, or even $1,000 per week with AI. If you want me to make a full list of AI tools that make money instantly, comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for weekly AI money-making tutorials.